Hi guys, today we'll be looking at how to set a dynamic background to your Xbox. Note that this only works on Xbox Series X and S. Now let's get on with it. First, you need to go on the menu, then go all the way to your profile, then to your settings, and go on general, and all the way go to personalization. Then go to my background, enter your passkey, and here is a custom wallpapers you can put. Here's the dynamic ones. Got the waist faded, spotlight, spotlight midnight, and all of these. And there you have it. That's how you do it.